Hey guys, it's Richard from Debaroo, and in this video I'm going to be doing a tutorial of the Clickdealer affiliate network. I'm on the Clickdealer website, global marketing agency, CPA network. We've got the publishers section, which is what we want to check out, and they have their smart links, so they're quite big on smart links, right? But yeah, okay, so these are the top verticals within Clickdealer. So we've got sweepstake and vouchers, e-commerce and retail could potentially be interesting, private deals and competitive rates for niche offers, gaming and social casino, mobile subscriptions, software and utilities. Okay, these are like submits, etc., CC submits. Cool. All right, so why don't we take a look inside of Clickdealer? But before we do that, let's have a look at their publisher page, aka their affiliate page. So Clickdealer has the technical capacity and market expertise to find the most profitable destination for your traffic while making the route safe and efficient. Our team of experienced managers has answers to any optimization puzzles coming up in your marketing campaigns. And they have the get an account button. Nice. So as we saw, their top verticals are dating, e-com, sweepstakes, crypto, Nutra. Very, very interesting for, you know, our COD campaigns, mobile subscriptions, gambling, download. Nice. Resources. A diverse portfolio of direct offers and exclusives, in-house WL brands, flexible payment terms, and they also have these bonuses, right? Now, once you start, you know, making some revenue with affiliate marketing, you just start to love bonuses more and more. Whether it's the bonuses that you get from your credit cards, because if you're running campaigns with your credit card, you can actually start making a lot of, getting a lot of air miles, you know, like building up all these Avios points, etc. And the networks, they give you bonuses. So that's not bad. So if you're making money anyway, but you're being incentivized to make even more money by all of these exclusive events, you get access to these private parties, as you can see, and there's also other things that you can win, like, you know, a new MacBook, you know, a PlayStation if you're into that sort of thing. And even some networks, they pay for you to get a new car, so they pay like a monthly amount towards a car, right? So maybe not a Lamborghini, but you can get a nice whip, like a BM, maybe a Mercedes AMG potentially. But yeah, that's a big thing with networks that you want to kind of get access to. So cool, we're not going to go through that. So payment options. So if you use any of these payment solutions, so you can receive payments, so like wire transfer, Payoneer, PayPal, Paxum, ePayments, WebMoney, then you can get payments from Clickdealer essentially. Cool. So why don't we take a look inside of the Clickdealer platform and have a look at some of the offers. See what they've got. Okay, so we've got the standard dashboard, clicks, conversions, events, revenue, average EPC. Yeah, so it's pretty much standard. When you start running traffic, obviously you'll see a lot more data. You'll see all the line graphs and stuff like that. You see the big boy revenue, of course. You know, we only deal with money makers here. So you see your revenue coming up there and the average EPC. But let's take a look at some of the offers. I know that a lot of you guys are very interested in what offers they could be running, so I will be showing you that. Let's have a look. So let that load up. Cool. And we're not going to select country, we're not going to select platform, but we are going to select vertical. So I'm first going to have a look at their Nutra offers. Whoops. Let's have a look at some Nutra offers. Oh. Eyes, contact lenses make my eyes super dry. Headache. Okay, so we have a lot of COD offers here. Really nice. This is in France or Italy. Can't even see the color properly. Apologies. I do know my geos. It's just that the color there, just couldn't see that. Cool. So these are quite a lot of quite good COD offers from what I can see. So we're seeing good payouts. So like seeing a big payout, wow, of $84, $26. Obviously these two aren't COD, but for the COD, 14 euros. What else are we seeing? $11, $29, $16. And remember, with COD, we actually don't need to generate a sale to make money, right? With COD, all we need to do is take the traffic to the conversion point. At the conversion point, they provide like their name, potentially their address, but definitely their phone number. Or someone from a call center calls them up and essentially just tells them, well, confirms with them, do you want to purchase this product? If so, please confirm potentially a date and time where we can deliver the product. And they just pay the courier to actually, when the courier arrives at their address, they pay the courier to receive the product. But we've already been paid as the affiliate. We've been paid as soon as they've confirmed over the phone that they want to purchase that product. So for us, we have not much of a liability on the back end. A lot of all of our revenues come from the front end side of things. Obviously, you need to provide good traffic and you need to have a good conversion rate on the traffic you provide. But all in all, we do not have to deal with majority of the headaches that you'd see with traditional e-com. So this is like e-com but for affiliates, which is why COD is booming right now. And there's a lot of money to be made with COD. But yeah, so we can see some of the offers here. All the standard stuff like join, this is Vietnam, getting 16 euro payouts. So $16, my bad. But let's have a look at just a random offer like this one. So let's click there. Obviously you're not going to go on the page, it's going to be in Vietnamese. What we can see is joint cure, supplement for joint treatment, supports the replenishment of joint fluid, helps to restore cartilage joints, helps to make slippery and flexible joints. The flow is COD, call center confirmation of the product purchase is needed, call center approval rate is 40%. Man, this is you're literally printing money if you can get this stuff to work, right? If you can find a convertible campaign where you've got the right metrics in place, you can make a lot of money with COD. Just want to make that clear. So yeah, so Clickdealer, from what I can see already, they have a lot of offers for COD. So I'm getting all this stuff from my iOS. Sorry about that, guys. Not now. I do not want to upgrade right now. Doing a video, okay. So yeah, so we've got a lot of offers from Clickdealer. To be fair, they're not the most known network when it comes to COD, but as long as they've got some good offers, you can run those offers to the moon, right? That's all that matters. But yeah, it's pretty awesome. So you have the my campaigns section, which essentially will be all the campaigns that we've applied for and have been approved. Pending campaigns, obviously we've applied, but they haven't actually been approved. The new offers, you know, for new COD offers coming in the market, I'm inside a Clickdealer dashboard. I am going to potentially run that offer as soon as possible if it's a good offer, right? So I'm going to be checking that section all the time. Because there's a new offer there, and other affiliates have not, like, essentially rinsed the traffic with that offer. I'm going to run that, and I'm going to rinse the traffic with that offer. Simple as that. It's just basic economics, guys. Come on, basic economics. But yeah, all good. I like the layout of Clickdealer. So let's have a look at the new offer section actually. See if there's anything interesting currently there. Let's have a look. Okay, so these are all the new offers. Let's see if there's any new in the neutral. Probably not, because there wasn't that many offers, but it's worth a try. You never know. Just click here. You never know. That's how I like to think. You never know. Oh, there wasn't any new offers there. Very sad. But let's have a look. I know that some people potentially may be doing like single opt-in sweepstake offers. So let's see if there's any in that particular vertical. So I'm going to cancel out the neutral. Select the sweeps. And there's a ton. So obviously you're seeing quite a high payout. So this is obviously not just traditional sweeps in terms of single opt-in. This is summit. So potentially pin submit, credit card submit. So we see in CCs, these are credit card submit offers. So what we want to find is the sort of single opt-in sweepstakes. I'm sure that they have them. Or I can just segment it by price, and then we'll definitely find it, because they'll be around the $1 to $4 mark, obviously depending on geo. Okay, so I'm guessing I'm in the wrong section right now. Okay, wait. Or do they not? Oh, okay. Vouchers, lead gen. So they don't call it sweepstakes in here. I was a bit confused. I was like, Clickdealer definitely do sweepstakes, right? But they call it vouchers / lead gen. So as you can see, there are tons of these single sort of opt-in offers, right? Tons upon tons. And some paying out obviously up to €4 for the particular single opt-in. So if you confirm their name, email address, and potentially their address, as soon as they put that information through, it's validated as a lead, you get paid. Simple as that. Very simple model. Obviously you need to make sure your traffic side and your creatives with whatever traffic source you use is at a low enough cost for you to be profitable, but the model is very simple to understand, right? But yeah, let's have a look at what else we can see inside the Clickdealer. So they got the reports area. So this area is where we will have a look at all of our, obviously our data, our campaign data. We can sort of segment by daily summary, campaign summary. Obviously right now this is a dummy account, so there's no data for us to be looking at. But if you're using Clickdealer, this is where you can have a look at all of your daily summaries, like your data on a day-to-day. If you're not just relying purely on your tracker, which I hope you use. If you don't use a tracker, then you're in trouble. I'm joking. You can still use sub IDs, but that's a little bit difficult for some people. But yeah, this is pretty much is the Clickdealer platform. Obviously we have our billing section here. Payment info is the final thing that I want to show you guys. Very important. So the billing cycle that you're immediately on is monthly, net 15. So monthly net 15 essentially means that if I start running with the network in January, I'll get paid February 15th, right? So you spend during January, whatever revenues you make during January, we paid on February 15th. So they have a 2-week period where they essentially validate your leads, right? And I'm fairly confident that with Clickdealer, you can get onto weekly payments if you hit a certain threshold. It's not just stuck on monthly. But obviously you'll need to confirm that within the FAQs. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. That's going to be it from me. I'm also releasing content around the COD journey that I'm currently on. So please make sure you watch those videos as well. I'm on a journey right now to getting to $1,000 a day with COD. I'm going to get there. I just want to make sure that you see how I get there so that you potentially can get there too. So I'm so confident that I can do it. All right. All right, guys. Like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next vid.
Allow me to introduce the Dice University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dice University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.